Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
การคัดเส้าพระ college ไม่รังกะละมังพิซาบันปลุดกุมบาอีเวยปอยอาร์พันกลุดตึงกานักบันตาบันเตยยากกับ Vocational Training Center กันทบยากกับจิงเทศยากิมชีนบันเป็นเบียงยากิเวยกิจิงดันกัมกับบาก college ฮักินิกิสงีกิได้บันดันฮักใบได้บักจิงอาจิกายกิสัมลาปุเลกัดกุมกับ National Education Policy กับบัตรหมายยากินิก Training Center บลัดเทียบกุมกับ Carpentry Unit ระบุมาวนองเร็มฮักอาร์พูเอตริกUlber Aja Usan da Director Jangka College Development Council ka North Eastern Hills University u Professor DRL Nonglaj u Belalong Kum Kongsan ringkat ka jingsa kilang jong sordar ka Snong Mairang Mission u ba Beltesta Rani u Belalong ru kum u Sumbut Kongsan u President Jangka Khatsau Pra College u ba Lawan Pencingai War u Principal Jangka College u ba Bolnes Lingdo Nong ki nohikai bagi samlang puli. Uba bolnes ulay thu bayamenta ka college karan Southly ki vocational training course subject bat kani ka training center balabu maunong rem hakani sngi kadai nakabenta ban aji kai ki samlang puli hakabai dei bat ki kam misteri ding. Kadba vice principal jong ka college ubabu Baker Phang War ulay thu banalor ka carpentry ka vocal ka khasi traditional music ka desktop publishing kidai baka college kala donpa ka college kan sapliru yaki course kum ka tourism fisheries but fashion designing
1 crore 25 lakhs is a lot. This is a lot of money. But why are we doing this? We are doing this for you, our dear students. We want to equip you with 3 E's. We want to equip you with 3 E's, and that is to empower you, employment, and excellence. We want to equip you with all these 3. So therefore, 1.25 crores is not just about the infrastructure. Do not mistaken. Sir has said, the machine sampolak kawai, kata ka machine ka ba penrekyang dieng, arhosan la. Ka jingkala jong kapuat, tang ha ini ki kendiak senam ladap no. Tang ha po ka chipo bat kaksan senam. Ka jingkala, ka wan kensan, dailing ba, ka jingyu ijengai, jong kinong yalam kujungi. Mentah kesini nyaya cubai maumer juga sain perkat nani ka sanjor nak mentah kalawai baru si kata bangi kum kibalik ka al stream kay ka jing puli ka samtrong kujungi ngihap de ado ka keran mangin yo PhD level laring yo doctorate ka jing puli ka jerong ka dan prengsungi kalat ka pri dan prengsungi kalat complete batay nomor kadaw kidan ki batray sitam bat ki okhet yo so kum ki khna Jongkari ka college, siam ya kini ka kabu, ya ka bana kalian ka college ki wanra ya di training center, lani ki furniture unit ibang sedang, but wait pat ki course, ya ka bang labo yung mga nori magning ski ko menta, kanlong ka basayso, batru, kan ay ka jing mentoy, ya tangi ki kena college nri, ya ki samla, ka dong ka thain, napo ka di kisnong mujungi, napo ka Eastern West Kasil District mujungi, batum juru na kaleng. The
importance of vocational education is so great that it is impossible to talk about it in only one occasion. While academic qualifications and degrees have long been recognized and valued, now it is time to understand that it is the vocational education and skills that truly empower our younger generation, enabling them to create, to innovate, and to contribute to the society. Carpentry is a skill as old as human civilization. It is not just about working with wood or timber. It is about shaping possibilities, building dreams.